Did you know that one of the simplest ways to restore your natural vitality as a man over 50 doesn't come in a pill, but in a bottle of oil sitting right in your kitchen? Yes, I'm talking about a natural, science-backed way to bring back stronger, longer-lasting erections, even in your 60s, 70s, and beyond, without side effects, without prescriptions, and without embarrassment. Here's the truth. Most men don't lose their drive or performance because of age. They lose it because blood flow to the lower body quietly slows down, testosterone becomes trapped by inflammation, and their nerves stop firing as efficiently. But tonight, before you go to bed, you can apply a few drops of a simple natural oil. And within days, you may start feeling warmth, circulation, and sensitivity returning to areas you thought were done for good. This is not a miracle, it's biology. Because certain plant oils, like extra virgin olive oil, black seed oil, and a little-known blend I'll reveal in this video, can actually reactivate microcirculation and stimulate the body's nitric oxide production, which fuels male performance at any age. So before you spend another dollar on pills that only mask the problem, stay with me for the next few minutes. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to apply it, how often, and why this natural bedtime ritual is helping thousands of men regain confidence naturally. Hi, I'm Dr. Melisa Monroe, a wellness specialist and integrative health doctor who has spent over 25 years helping men and women over 50 reclaim their vitality naturally. My focus has always been simple, helping the body do what it's designed to do: heal, restore, and renew itself. When I first began seeing male patients in their 60s and 70s struggling with energy and performance, I noticed a pattern. Most of them didn't have a testosterone problem. They had a circulation problem. Their arteries were inflamed, their nitric oxide levels had dropped, and the tiny capillaries responsible for blood flow to intimate areas were simply clogged, like a garden hose with mineral buildup. That's when I started testing natural oils that could support vascular health from the outside in. And what I discovered surprised even me. Certain oils, when applied topically, could reactivate blood flow within days, supporting firmness, warmth, and sensitivity without a single pill. This isn't folklore. It's supported by modern research showing how natural compounds like oleic acid, polyphenols, and thymoquinone help relax blood vessels and restore oxygen delivery, safely and naturally. Let's dive into how this works inside your body. Let's start with what really happens inside your body as you age, especially if you're a man over 50. Most men think that their loss of performance, firmness, or drive comes down to low testosterone. And yes, testosterone does decline with age, but that's only part of the story. The deeper issue begins with blood flow. You see, an erection isn't just about hormones, it's about circulation. It's a vascular event, a surge of blood rushing into tiny chambers of tissue called the corpora cavernosa. These chambers fill up and trap blood, creating firmness. But as the years go by, several things start working against you. 1. The circulation. Slow down. Your arteries, even the small ones in your groin, become less flexible. They stiffen. This process, known as endothelial dysfunction, limits how much nitric oxide your body can produce. Nitric oxide is a natural chemical messenger that tells your blood vessels to relax and open. Without it, blood can't flow freely. Think of it like a balloon. When it's new, it stretches easily. But as it ages, the rubber hardens, and suddenly it doesn't expand the same way. That's what's happening inside your arteries. Over time, less blood reaches those sensitive areas. You might still feel desire, but the physical response becomes slower, weaker, or inconsistent. 2. The inflammation trap. Then there's inflammation, the silent saboteur. Chronic inflammation builds up from decades of sugar, stress, processed food, and even sleep deprivation. It doesn't always cause pain, but it silently damages the lining of your blood vessels. That damage leads to plaque buildup, reduced elasticity, and slower oxygen delivery to tissues, including the ones responsible for erection. Your body's communication between brain and nerves also becomes sluggish. So even if the signal to turn on gets sent, the response can feel delayed or muted. 3. The testosterone paradox. Here's the twist. When blood flow slows, your body's ability to use testosterone also drops. That's why some men take testosterone supplements and still feel no improvement. It's not that they don't have enough testosterone, it's that their body can't deliver it to where it's needed. It's like pouring more gasoline into a car with clogged fuel lines. It doesn't matter how full the tank is if nothing's reaching the engine. So, if circulation is the core problem, how can something as simple as oil help? 4. How natural oils reactivate microcirculation. When you apply specific natural oils topically, especially before bed, you're not just moisturizing, you're triggering a cascade of biological effects. For example, extra virgin olive oil is rich in oleic acid and polyphenols. These compounds penetrate the skin and interact with local tissues, helping reduce inflammation and improve capillary flexibility. In studies, olive oil has been shown to increase nitric oxide availability by supporting the endothelium, that thin inner lining of your blood vessels. Then there's black seed oil, often called the oil of blessing in ancient medicine. Its active compound, thymoquinone, is a powerful antioxidant and vasodilator. That means it helps blood vessels widen, allowing more oxygen-rich blood to flow. When you massage these oils gently into the lower abdominal or inner thigh area, regions rich in vascular pathways, the nutrients are absorbed through the skin, nourishing the blood vessels beneath. This process, known as transdermal absorption, is surprisingly effective. The skin isn't just a barrier, it's also a gateway. It can absorb fat-soluble nutrients directly into nearby tissues, bypassing digestion. And because you're applying the oil before bed, your body has several hours, during its natural repair phase, to absorb and utilize those compounds. 5. The nighttime advantage. You might wonder, why before bed? Here's why. Nighttime is when your parasympathetic nervous system, the rest and repair system, takes over. This is when blood flow naturally shifts toward internal organs, tissues, and the reproductive system for maintenance and recovery. By applying circulation-enhancing oils right before sleep, you align with this rhythm. You're effectively giving your body what it needs, right when it's ready to receive it. 6. The science of skin-to-circulation connection. Your skin is an incredible organ. Beneath it lies a dense network of capillaries, tiny blood vessels that respond instantly to heat, touch, and bioactive compounds. When you apply warm oil and gently massage it, three things happen. Thermal activation. Warmth from your hands, and the oil increases local temperature, causing blood vessels to dilate. Mechanical stimulation. Gentle circular motions encourage lymphatic drainage and microcirculation. Nutrient delivery. The oil's bioactive compounds penetrate the dermal layer and interact with endothelial cells, the same cells responsible for nitric oxide production. This combination doesn't just improve circulation in the moment, it helps retrain your blood vessels to respond more effectively over time. Think of it like exercising your arteries. Each night's application is a mini workout for your microcirculation system. 7. Why pills often fail? Most pharmaceutical solutions only treat the symptom, not the cause. They artificially force blood flow by relaxing smooth muscles, but they do nothing to heal the damaged vessels or support natural nitric oxide production. That's why their effects fade quickly and come with risks, from headaches to heart strain. Natural oils, on the other hand, work with your body's systems. They restore what's been lost, not replace it. This is why men who start this nightly oil ritual often report not just improved erections, but also warmer hands and feet, better sleep, and renewed energy. It's the same circulation system benefiting the whole body. 8. The mind-body connection. Finally, we can't ignore the mental aspect. Performance anxiety, stress, and worry all constrict blood vessels. The act of taking a few minutes each night for mindful self-care, to breathe, relax, and restore, triggers your parasympathetic state. That's the same state in which arousal naturally occurs. So the ritual itself becomes therapeutic, both physically and psychologically. In short, what's happening on your skin mirrors what's happening inside your blood vessels and brain. You're teaching your body to relax, receive, and rejuvenate. And that's the beauty of this natural approach. It's not about forcing results, it's about restoring flow. Now that you understand how and why this works, let's talk about the exact steps to do it safely, effectively, and consistently, starting tonight. All right, let's walk through the exact steps so you can safely and effectively use this natural bedtime oil method. Step 1. Choose the right oil. The best oils for circulation and male vitality are extra virgin olive oil, black seed oil, or a blend of both. Olive oil improves vessel flexibility and boosts nitric oxide. Black seed oil adds powerful antioxidants that reduce inflammation and help restore sensitivity. If you prefer, you can mix 1 tablespoon of olive oil with a few drops of black seed oil. Store it in a small glass bottle for easy nightly use. Optional add-ins: a drop of vitamin E oil for skin repair, or peppermint essential oil for a gentle warming effect. Step 2. Warm the oil. Before applying, warm the oil slightly by rubbing it between your palms for about 10 seconds. The gentle heat increases absorption and boosts circulation immediately. Step 3. Apply to key areas. Apply a few drops to the lower abdomen, inner thighs, and base area of the groin, never directly on sensitive skin. Use slow circular motions for about 3 to 5 minutes. The goal isn't deep massage, it's gentle stimulation to wake up those tiny blood vessels under the skin. Step 4. Relax before sleep. After applying, take a few deep breaths. Feel the warmth spread naturally. Avoid washing it off. Let the oil absorb overnight. Doing this before bed aligns with your body's nighttime repair cycle, when blood flow and hormone balance are most active. Step 5. Be consistent. Repeat this ritual every night for at least 3 weeks. Most men notice improved warmth, sensitivity, and firmness within 7 to 10 days, but lasting results come from consistency. And remember, this isn't just about physical performance. As circulation improves, many men report better sleep, sharper focus, and higher morning energy. This simple nightly ritual reconnects you to your body, gently, naturally, and powerfully. Now, let's talk about what to expect and how to stay motivated as your body begins to renew itself. You're not alone if you've struggled with performance, confidence, or even the quiet frustration that comes with aging. Every man over 50 experiences changes in circulation, energy, and desire. It's part of life's rhythm. But what's not true is the idea that this decline is permanent. Your body is designed to heal itself. The same way a cut on your hand closes, your blood vessels can reopen, your nerves can reawaken, and your hormones can rebalance if you give your body what it needs. I've seen men in their late 60s and 70s regain what they thought was gone forever, not by chasing synthetic fixes, but by rebuilding from within, with patience, intention, and nature's help. And remember, this isn't about vanity or ego. It's about vitality. It's about reconnecting with your body, your partner, and your sense of self-worth. When circulation improves, everything improves. Your sleep, your mood, even your confidence in daily life. XC, Fei Se Az. So, as you begin this simple bedtime oil ritual, stay consistent and kind to yourself. You're not racing the clock. You're working with your body's natural wisdom. Every drop you apply, every night you commit, is a small act of renewal. And before long, you'll realize the energy, the firmness, the spark you thought was lost was never gone. It was simply waiting to flow again. If you found this helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Share this video with a friend, a brother, or someone who might be quietly struggling but too shy to ask for help. Sometimes one simple tip can change someone's life. And if you'd like more natural, science-backed ways to restore your energy and confidence after 50, make sure to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss a new video from me, Dr. Melisa Monroe. Every week, we explore practical, doctor-approved ways to help your body heal naturally, from circulation boosters to hormone balance and simple daily rituals that work. And in our next video, we'll uncover the 3 common foods that quietly lower testosterone levels and what to eat instead to keep your vitality thriving. Take care, and I'll see you soon.